Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Multi-Cooker Review 2024. The Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Multi-Cooker is expensive by Instant Pot standards, but Smart app functionality takes all the guesswork out of controlling it. Design-wise, this model is clean and timeless, with its 10 settings clearly displayed on the digital control panel. The NutriBoost setting is a great idea to lock in vitamins. In my opinion, the only thing missing here is an air fryer setting. Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Multi-Cooker Review, Performance. To test out the Instant Pot Pro Plus, I used it over the course of a month to cook a variety of dishes. I downloaded the Instant Connect app and followed recipes such as pressure-cooked, easy holiday butternut squash coconut soup, which was made in under 20 minutes. I was keen to see how well this multi-cooker could pressure cook, sauté, steam and cook rice, as well as produce a slow-cooked lamb curry. I found the digital control panel simple to use, and found that the easy seal locking lid clicked into place effortlessly. Pairing the appliance with the smartphone Instant Connect app proved faultless, too. After pressing the Wi-Fi button on the pot and following the instructions to connect, I was able to use the app to control my recipes. The app itself is actually one of the easiest and most comprehensive I've used. I welcome the way you can search for a recipe, and the app delivers step-by-step instructions, from gathering your ingredients to choosing the right settings, adding ingredients and venting the steam, all in real time. Offering 20% more power than previous models for faster preheating time and 15 psi suitable for canning, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Multi-Cooker claims to be the most powerful Instant Pot to date. This design does, in fact, claim to cook up to 70% faster than other cooking methods when pressure cooking, and can therefore help you save on energy bills. As a result, I certainly found pressure cooking to be super quick. I was able to cook very tough butternut squash in just 5 minutes. Following the recipe for pressure-cooked easy holiday butternut squash coconut soup, the app automatically guided me through the natural venting setting at the end, which I found reassuring and easy to follow. The appliance does get quite loud when venting steam, and you'll need to ensure there's sufficient space above to avoid covering the kitchen units with condensation. While making the soup, I also clicked on the NutriBoost setting on the control panel, which is designed to make meals healthier by breaking down the food, locking in vitamins and enhancing the flavor. It's hard to tell if this made any difference to the final results of the soup, but it's a reassuring addition to the offering. I found the appliance very quiet in use, particularly when used for making a slow-cooked lamb curry. It was very easy to sauté ingredients, such as the lamb, onions, and seasoning directly in the pot at the start of the recipe, which saved time and having to wash up a separate pan. I then simply added the rest of the ingredients and switched to the slow cook setting for 4 hours on high. I like the fact that the sauté setting can be used at the end of the slow cook to reduce liquids directly in the pot if needed, too. The appliance gently beeps to let you know when the food is ready. Cleaning was pretty simple. The pot is dishwasher safe and the base and lid can be cleaned with warm soapy water and wiped down with a damp cloth. For more advice, learn how to clean an Instant Pot. Pros: it's easy to use. Works quietly. Is easily controlled through the app. Cons: app doesn't add much functionality. Pricier than non-connected model. Should you buy the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi electric pressure cooker? Yes, if you love the convenience of one-pot cooking. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is a useful appliance for pressure cooking, slow cooking, and even sous vide cooking. It's simple to use and delivers reliable, delicious results. The app is useful for step-by-step recipes, but you can easily get by without it because it offers few worthwhile operational controls. As such, we recommend the more affordable Instant Pot Pro for most people. It includes the sous vide mode and all the same cooking functionality as the Pot Pro Plus for $40 less, making it a better buy.